guys, how you doing? Over Africa. Let's go! Jake with Lum Seeker, and we're out again in Western Virginia. Looked up a trail on Bikepacking.com called the Slate Springs Overnighter. It's about 3 hours from the house. We're about 25 miles west of Harrisonburg, Virginia, along the Virginia-West Virginia border. Should be about 50 miles or so. One day, one night, and a little bit again tomorrow morning. And I am looking forward to it. My best impression of a roadie. All right, so we're about to take the turn onto towards Union Springs Road. That'll start the ascent. Right now we're just in this beautiful valley. Turned onto Union Springs Road, and I'm pretty sure I'm on this all the way to the ridgeline. So now starts the ascent. It's about 2 o'clock or so. I've been climbing for an hour, riding for about 3 hours total, but just stopped for lunch by a beautiful creek, refilled on water. I think that might be my last spot until I get to the ridge. There's maybe a piped spring, but it's the middle of winter, so not sure if it'll be flowing or not, but onward and upward. Merry Christmas, Jeep crew. Dry feet. Okay, I have been temporarily defeated by these switchbacks on the way up the ridge. So it's a push-a-bike. However, all you need is a willingness to trudge. Boots, boots, marching over Africa. Boots. The aptly named Meadow Knob. All right, now leaving Meadow Knob on our way over to Flagpole Knob. Got about an hour more sunlight, but got a light with me. Just beautiful views. Guess that's the benefit of doing it in wintertime. You can actually see around you instead of the green tunnel. Saved it. Nearing Reddish Knob. Starting to lose my light, but it's a beautiful evening. Night riding, oh yeah. Lost my glasses.